We are in front of the Globebus One Active, and this is the Globebus One Active from 2026 model with a starting price of 80,000 euros and final price of 90,000 euros. And this is an under 6 meter completely integrated van that offers real 4 sleeping places when you drop down the actual bed from the inside. And well, entering inside, we are already seeing a much more space sitting situation than the standard camper van, because we have this part that it's larger, so measuring 10 centimeters slightly more from each side, so approximately almost 18 centimeters from each side if we measure from door to door. And then you get much more space and much more livability inside. And also there is much more height to work on. And yes, this is the drop-down bed. So you get a double drop-down bed from this side and a standard bed from the back. We have the cooking situation with the sink and 1, 2, 3, 4 big kitchen cabinets, 2 big kitchen cabinets on top, and on this side we have the Dethleffs fridge with the actual step and a small compartment, so when you take this out you have a step to go to the bed. On this side, additional storage, pretty deep, with lights, and also there is a 220 volts power socket. And this is also my favorite part: big, large bathroom, Dethleffs cassette toilet, and then when you don't need it and when you want to take a shower, extremely large shower, and also pretty high. I have more space that I need, and then you can take a shower pretty easily. Not bad. This is a pretty great full integrated camper. And on the back we have a lot of storage compartments with the 2 mains on the back. And measuring the bed from the actual side to side, measuring 1.452, that's pretty large, and from the widest part, from the longest part, approximately 2 meters. So it's pretty easy and comfortably to put 2 people here to sleep. And then if we exit outside, we can fully understand that we have an additional garage from this side with light for all your belongings, measuring 2 meters wide, and the widest part right here is 0.9. So probably you can fit 2 bicycles inside, probably even 3 if you take out the wheels, but you will have no problem doing that. And this is the backside design. This is the only integrated camper in the market right now under 6 meters that offers so much more livability than any other integrated camper. And well, this is the front look. I think that looks pretty nice with these lights right here. And yes, it will be wider, as I said before, but you get wider for this part, as you see right there, but you get much more space inside for a comfortable living.